Hi mga babies, good morning. Ay, grabe. So, anyway, ano ba yung agenda natin for today? Unang-una, maliban sa kakain at hindi pa tayo kumakain, alas 9 na, late na naman, is magpapalaba tayo ng damit. So, I think gagawin ko na din siya ngayon after nitong video na to para hindi ko na gagawin mamaya because I hate procrastinating. You may be wondering bakit alas 9 na tayo gumising ng umaga. Because kahapon, simula 8 PM after natin mag-workout, diretso edit na tayo. Kumain pala muna, diretso edit. Tapos hanggang 1:00 ng madaling araw, nag-e-edit pa rin tayo. So that's why alas 9 na ngayon, hindi pa rin tayo kumakain.
Hold on, wait up just a minute now.
So, kakatapos na natin kumain. And by the way, my hair is not hearing today. Kasi kahapon, iniwan ko siya na nakaganito. Kasi tinatamad ako mag-ayos. Tapos ngayon, pag aayusin ko na, ang weird na niya. So, I think it's a bad hair day today. What? I think it's a bad hair day today. Pero okay lang yan. Hindi mo na ako lalabas ng bahay.
You are my sunshine on a rainy day. You are the one who takes my breath away. In the vast skies of love, I'm free. As long as you're here with me.
Time check, it's 12:40 PM. And ready lang natin yung vlog na i-upload natin ngayon. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yun, panoorin nyo na, please. Mali pala yung nasuot ko na damit. But anyway, maliligo muna ako. And hopefully, dumating na din yung book natin. Hindi, hopefully, hindi siya dumating nang nasa CR ako. Nagdadalawang isip na tuloy ako kung ngayon ako maliligo or mamaya na. Pero pabilis lang naman ako magligo. Kaya ko yan ng 1 minute.
I wanna see things I have never seen before. I'm tired of these city streets. I would go anywhere as long as I'm with you. You see.
Meron tayong current issue, which is 1:00 na ng hapon ngayon tapos wala pa rin tayong pagkain. And instead na maghanap na ng pagkain or magtingin sa labas, nagbablog pa ako. Mas lalo ko pang pinapatagal. Tara, maghanap ng pagkain.
There's so much more than we've been told, way beyond what we can hold. So keep your eyes open for the things that really matter. Oh, you have to give it one more try, now that the idiots are taking over.
Nakatikim din ng isda. Recently kasi puro mga chicken yung ulam namin. Chicken and egg. Okay, it's time to be nerd again. Ay, recently it's been stressful. By the way, na-realize ko guys na kapag may ginagawa ako and pakiramdam ko na stress ako or na-pressure, parang gusto ko magpahinga, gusto ko mag-unwind or pumunta sa ibang lugar. Pero at the same time, kapag nagpahinga naman ako, naiisip ko ang unproductive ko. Kasi siguro na-stress din ako. Parang hindi ko inaalaw yung sarili ko na magpahinga. Do you know what I mean? Kaya don't pressure yourself and don't stress yourself too much.
Is this the last time I can see you in a while? Is it the truth that you'll be living tonight? We should take a walk then a swim in the sea. That will mean everything, yeah, everything to me.
It's here mga babies. Yung libro natin, kaka-deliver lang ngayon. Tapos iba pala yung nandito na libro, no? Okay. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko muna sasabihin ko anong libro to kasi gusto ko nang matapos. Try ko muna magbasa. Okay? Okay, I just did my rounds. Nalibot ko na yung buong subdivision. One thing na na-realize ko kapag mag-isa ka, it's both a mixture of positive and negative. Positive kasi parang pwede mong magawa yung mga gusto mong gawin. At the same time, negative kasi parang lonely kumbaga. Sabi nga nila, it is not good for a man to be alone. One negative thing na na-realize ko kapag mag-isa ka is, ayun, mas inclined ka na mag-isip. Kaya siguro nakaka-stress din siya or nakaka-depress kasi mag-isa ka eh. Pero I guess kailangan mo lang masanay. I guess, ganun. Anyway, pasok na tayo kasi padilim na. Hi mga babies. So, ayun, nakapasok na ulit ako sa loob. But anyway, thank you so much sa mga nanonood and I'll see you na lang tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Always on a high, you will always